Alright, so today I'm here to talk to you about the 2006 Nissan Titan 4x4. There's a lot of people who get a code, P0335, the Crankshaft Position Sensor, and that's what you're looking at here. There's a lot of different reasons that code gets thrown, but probably your first start is to swap out the sensor itself. So it's pretty easy. You can get an OEM one, you can get an aftermarket one. The key is that the camshaft position sensor and the crankshaft position sensor look identical. There was a service bulletin on this very problem from Nissan back in the day. So make sure you have a crankshaft position sensor. You got your sensor, you're going to get under the truck here. And you can see right there at the back or front of the transmission, that green clip there on the wiring, that is the crankshaft position sensor. So that you're going to undo a single bolt, pull it out, and there's a clip on there that's a little tricky to get, but if you take a piece of pliers and push the green part down, it will pop the sensor loose. Then it's plug and play. You put your new sensor in, put it back in, and bolt it back up, and give it a try. Make sure you use your code reader to clear out that code, and see if that is the fix you're looking for on code P0335. If you like this, please like and subscribe. I have lots more Nissan Titan videos, and I try to post them regularly. Thanks, everyone.